All right, YouTubers, buckle up. YouTube just rolled out some huge updates for 2025, and if you're serious about growing your channel, you don't want to miss this. 1. More ways to make money. Enhanced channel memberships. Offer exclusive content and perks. Shopping features. Seamlessly partner with brands and sell products. New courses. Sell educational content and keep most of the revenue. Podcast monetization. More tools to turn your podcast into profits. 2. TV is taking over. YouTube TV is now bigger than mobile in the US. Creators must optimize for big screens. 4K visuals, binge-worthy series, and high-quality content are key. Interactive TV features. Viewers can engage using their phones in real time. AI-powered creator tools. Auto-dubbing. Instantly translate videos into multiple languages for a global reach. Dream Track. Generate custom soundtracks for shorts with AI. AI brainstorming and planning. Smart tools to help with video ideas, thumbnails, and more. These updates could be a game changer for creators. Which one are you most excited about?